The share screen connection lost error on PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to share your gaming experience with friends. This error typically stems from three main causes: an unstable internet connection, PlayStation Network service outages, or incorrect privacy settings that prevent screen sharing. First, check the PlayStation Network status to ensure there are no service outages affecting share screen functionality. You can do this through the console settings or PlayStation's website. Next, test your internet connection through the console settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then Connection Status, and select Test Internet Connection. Sony recommends a minimum connection speed of 5 megabits per second for both upload and download, but 15 megabits per second is optimal for the best share screen experience. Restart both your router and console to resolve any temporary network glitches. Power cycle your router first, wait 30 seconds, then restart your PlayStation console. Check your privacy settings to ensure screen sharing is enabled. Navigate to Settings, Users and Accounts, then Privacy, and make sure your sharing options allow the intended audience to view your screen. For the most stable share screen experience, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. This provides better stability, reduced latency, and improved overall performance for screen sharing features. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve share screen connection issues, advanced solutions are needed. We'll explore safe mode options, system repairs, and network optimizations. First, boot your PlayStation into safe mode and rebuild the database. This fixes corrupted data that may interfere with share screen functionality. Next, restore your licenses. Navigate to Settings, Users and Accounts, then Other, and select Restore Licenses. This refreshes your account permissions. Configure DNS settings manually for better connectivity. Use Google DNS with primary 8.8.8.8 and secondary 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS with 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.1. For Wi-Fi connections, set the frequency band to 5 GHz. This provides faster data transmission and less interference compared to 2.4 GHz networks. Disable HDMI device link if you're experiencing issues. Go to Settings, System, HDMI, and turn off Enable HDMI device link. This can resolve conflicts with connected devices. If all advanced solutions fail, contact PlayStation support for personalized assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps specific to your situation.